Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image using AI tool. Here you can go and type Mockuplabs AI. This one is very useful tool that lets you create different type of mockups. You can also generate different type of images. You need to create a free account. Click here. And on the left side click here AI image generator. Then you can type anything. For example, create an image for flying taxi. After that click here generate button. Then you need to create a free account. Select this one, Gmail account. Scroll down and after that click here continue button. Here you can see image is ready. After that you can export this image by clicking this button.